Yo, what's good? This your boy Youngie Suits, huh?
It's your boy X, man.
Yeah, man. Today we're gonna be rapping the CJ song called Whoop-Dee NYC remix featuring French Montana and Roddy Rebel.
Welcome home.
But before we get into it, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all share, make sure y'all subscribe, man. They should put Bobby on this too. Crazy day of this.
I be on this shit so you know what it is. Fuck your kid. Your favorite rapper's back out. Who that? On OnlyFans with his ass out. Whoop-Dee. Remix is a movie. Show me the box like Boosie. She jump off the vert like Uzi. For what? Blue cheese. Honest blue cheese. Model face like Karuchi. Makeup like Jeezy and Gucci. Flow like Nick with the Coogee. Swagged out. I'ma ride on the pill that max out. Favorite rap back out.
I like how they switched the beat a little bit at first. I don't know if it's gonna rock, but yeah.
When that OnlyFans with his ass out. Sleazy. You know I'm back with the sleazy. My neck full of Fiji. King in New York, I had a PC. Back on my bullshit. AR with a full clip. FDR with a new whip. Send it to DR for a new hip. We up on the ops like 2-zip. I'm Larry Davis on Webster. Got rid of weight like Flex. Yeah, Salt Bae with the chef. Breaking Bad with the meth. Fresh McGregor with the
Salt Bae with the chef. You seen Salt Bae trying to put the motherfucking meat up in anything about? Paul.
No,
Yeah.
he tried dudes too.
Amari Cooper wasn't having it.
No.
What's the man? What's that dude's name? He's like a comedian. What's his name? No, he's a popular like Instagram comedian, but he been like segueing into like TV and shit. What's his name?
What he been in?
Have you ever seen that movie about the sneaker resellers on Netflix, like series, like the 4-part series? You know D-Storm and them?
Whoop-Dee. Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese. I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a 2-piece. You can have your bitch, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a 2-seat. Swagged out. Familiarly bringing them.
Pour the champagne on the jeans.
Supposed to do it on the ass side.
Trap house off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back
And
on
a
my
polyester.
full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless. And my shooters, they shooting. I will take it to roof, Chris. They shooting.
This movie, salute me or shoot me. Don't let me.
Imagine nigga like, yo, nigga, salute me or shoot me, my nigga. Pick one, nigga. You gonna do something.
Mid-sentence.
You gonna choose one, bro. You ain't gonna violate, bro, like that.
With a groupie and a 2-seat. Pour a 4 and a 2-lead. Who he? Come on out. Bust down, nigga. See, they don't let me fight me. Pull those shit with his wife. Came along with him as a knife. Bust down precisely. Shit priceless. She like how I talk, spicy. Shit when I walk, spiky. Louis Vuitton, got no Nike. Freak Quino or Schmite. Christian Dior when I walk. I got the grip on the tour. Came in here with the tour. Who the fuck is the king on New York? Who is that? Fuck with the king on New York. King on New York.
Whoop-Dee. Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese. I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a 2-piece. You can have your bitch, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a 2-seat. Swagged out. Familiarly bringing them cats out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit. Spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless. And my shooters, they shooting. I was thinking of roof, Chris. They shooting. Swagged out. Familiarly bringing them cats out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out.
You ever been off that 42 yet? You ever been off that 42 yet?
F42, what's that?
You ain't, I said you ever been off that 42 yet?
What's that?
1942, motherfucker drink.
I just probably see it. You know I be feeling getting every time.
Yeah, man. That was CJ Whoop-Dee featuring French Montana and Roddy Rebel NYC remix. Let us know what y'all think about that. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all share, make sure y'all subscribe, man. We out here.